Alright, what is going on YouTube? So in this video we're at my boy's house working on his MK6 GTI. He's putting in some new injectors and also cleaning out his intake valves while the manifold is out. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of voiceover throughout the blank parts of the video, and let's get right into it. So we got to remove the whole intake and then take off the manifold.
Yeah, just so you can get more space.
There's one bolt right in there. Go ahead and remove all electrical connectors and hoses from the intake manifold.
Cover your eyes.
I'm just kidding. The only one that leaks is this one, right?
Remove the bolt securing the intake manifold.
It's not my thing, as long as it takes me to work.
Well, that's the thing, like, if you just want a car that's gonna take you to work, then why build it? Why spend all this time and money building it? If it breaks, it breaks. Just fix it. That's what I mean. You gotta start accumulating. I got a set of jets right there. About to turn down. And then another lady, huh? I gotta take 2 more little bolts off and start.
Nice. Nice.
Quick with it. Benji's face.
I was pooped. God,
yeah. He was super scared. He didn't want to turn on his car, bro. Yeah, he wasn't even about to turn on his car.
I was shitted on, bro. I was shitted on by myself.
He took a pink spark plug from his car, put it in there, and we had to turn it on.
Yeah, he turned it on because he was scared.
When was this?
Huh?
When did this happen?
2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
2 weeks, right? It was on a Sunday, right?
See that magnet again? Do I have it?
I would have had nightmares, bro. You had a nightmare that night?
Bro, nigga, I had nightmares at the moment. I was having nightmares that it was going.
Did you sleep well that night, man?
I did.
No.
Blown, bro.
I would have been blown, man.
I legit shitted myself, bro.
And then
scary.
That's a scary sight.
I put the new spark plugs in, and I had to test drive it because he didn't want to drive it.
I wouldn't want to either, man.
Get the fuck out of this jet.
Fuck that. Just getting everything disconnected in there.
To clean, I don't know. I know at the dealer to clean that, to do a
It's like 1200, isn't it?
1200. Yeah, they charge $8 a labor.
For a valve clean?
Yeah.
1200 for a valve clean?
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit.
NGP is probably like
Dead ass?
800, 900, yeah.
I do it for half. If you ever need it done, just let me know. Dude.
Oh, yes.
They're just unplugging the injectors right now. Alright,
That's how.
pretty much, if they dirty, you see all of this right here, it'll be black, dirt black, all of this.
Oh, no.
You can't really see. We'll get the light in a second. All of this will be dirt black, look like your mom's suck now. See, it's not that bad right now because we just cleaned them like about 3, maybe 2K ago.
You go 2,000 miles?
Man, but how many times you go to Mexico, Ben?
Too much Mexico,
How many
bro.
times
Too much
you go to
Mexico.
Mexico,
Too much
man?
Mexico time. But yeah, you see, it does. They still look kind of dirty, but you know, it's not as bad as it would be if you run 20K, 30K on them. This would look entirely black. The whole entire set would look black.
It's not spraying with pressure. It's just not running right. I don't know exactly.
Getting ready to clean up the valves there with the magic potion. You know what I mean?
Get your injectors and the
Cleaning out some carbon. Once the intake manifold is removed, use some cleaning solution and a scuffing device to clean out the intake valves. Follow up with compressed air.
I need to be able to get to the holes though. So. Yeah, that's good.
In this clip, he's retapping the manifold threads that were previously stripped. If your threads are fine, you can go ahead and skip this step.
Super stripped. Wait for a number and push a button. That's all you gotta do to drive an automatic. But they're faster, so you can't knock on them.
Club over here. Hey, fuck you guys. You got roasted.
Go ahead and insert all 4 injectors and lightly tap them in to seat them properly. Follow up by plugging in all the electrical connectors. Nice.
It has a little case. But 271 is good.
I have a red too.
Well, there's different reds. There's different kinds of reds.
Oh, okay.
But that shit ain't coming out unless you fucking really try to get that out. You're not out of fuel, dude, but I'm just telling you, I just want I want to spray more meth. No. And now you
don't need them. You don't need them. You don't need them.
Oh, catch can.
Right.
So let's try to, I mean, I don't really think that's causing that much of an issue.
We can't test it, can we?
No, but as long as it's not cracked or anything. I mean, it looks fine, but let's see whenever we put the catch can back on if we can make it so that it doesn't hit that.